Uy, Maris Racal and Rico Blanco break up.
I'm so scared. Dami kasing tanong about him and I'm tired of if I announce it, then it's real.
Although wala pang nagsasalita kung ano talaga ang cause ng breakup, my bird's eye view as a radio announcer sa mga nangyari, sa tingin ko, since they have a 25-year gap, Maris is 26 at the prime of her career, Rico Blanco 51. O, di ba? Two generations apart. Layo Maris nasa prime sa kanyang career, nasa prime ng kanyang career at 26 habang si Rico as a singer nasa tail end na siya ng pagiging rock star. I think being 51 is a little bit old already sa pagiging rock star. Medyo tumatanda na, okay? It's only a matter of time before they split, di ba? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga reasons, pero I have my speculations. Okay, ang speculation ko, na-pressure na siguro si Maris dahil sa sulsul ng tagahawak ng kanyang career dahil 26 years old. Kaya ka nga nag-artista para sumikat and fulfill your dream, di ba? Saka syempre, minsan iniisip natin, ginamit lang ba ni Maris etong si Rico to move forward sa kanyang career? Yun ang tanong. And another is the triangulation part. Third party, si Snoop na kalab team niya sa kanyang TV series na Can't Buy Me Love. Siguro gawa-gawa na lang yon. Parang kuha na lang yung pandagdag kulay. Parang ganon. To Rico Blanco, masasabi ko lang, move forward. There's another day coming. O, di ba? Kasi there's no harm in walking away from a relationship. And as a man, never beg for love. Yun ang masasabi ko.